In the old days with the crazy carburetors, when we were taking an engine apart, we used to take tape and mark all those thousands of spaghetti lines and vacuum lines, right? Well, nowadays you don't have to worry about that, but there's still things that are kind of tricky, like water pump bolts or serpentine belts. And with the technology and the tablets, your technicians can take a photograph of how that belt is run or where the longer bolts go and be able to put everything back the way it should be without causing damage. It's easy to add tech notes. Go to the repair on the tablet, tap the positive symbol, tap on note, and add whatever text you need to. Also, take a picture. That's probably the easiest way. For example, take a picture of a water pump with the bolts laying out so you know exactly where they go. And if you struggle with drum brakes, take a picture before you take them apart. And then serpentine belts and timing belts, take a picture. And remember that you can make that text print or not, and also you'll know it's on there as a note just by this icon. There you go. It could be a time saver too, because no more guessing, because you got the photographs before you took it apart, so you can put it back to make it work and look the way it was originally. Pretty easy.